Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. Now for today's video I'll be doing a try on haul. These are just some cozy winter pieces that I found. I needed some new pieces, so I went ahead and picked some up. Now these are very affordable. They're very cozy, nice pieces in my opinion. They can be worn inside as well as outside dependent on you. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first set I picked up was from JCPenney. It is this camouflage pants, and then you have the army green top. Now the top is very thick. It has a hoodie on it, and it has the front zipper and the two pockets here. Very impressive, very thick, very warm and cozy. Right now the size for this is medium, and the bottom I believe is a large. Very nice, and this fits me very well. It is sitting on me. I feel so sexy in this, and then the waist of it is broad, and you know it kind of gives you that level of comfort, you know, for us curvy girls. Yeah, it is sitting. All right, and then the bottom of it is gray, as you can see in the video, and yeah, overall very nice. The bottom could be a little bit thicker, but you know, for me now, I would wear this in the spring because this is not going to keep you warm in the winter. But spring with a nice pair of sneakers, some hoops, you know, if you want to pull up the hoodie, nice, jazz it up a bit. Yeah, good look. So if you want to wear it on the inside, good. If you want to wear it outside, good. It's good either way. It's just nice and fits so sexy and so comfortable. Okay, so the second piece I have to show you guys is another set, and I got this from Old Navy. Now this is the jogger bottom, regular jogger bottom. It is in a gray color. This is size medium. Drawstring as per usual. This one has some nice deep pockets like the first one. I really love the color. It is very stretchy, and then you have the top of it, and it fits so good. Well, the top, I got the top in a large on account of my, you know, and my arms. Yeah, so it will fit well. It is very warm. In fact, it is lined, so this is gonna keep you very warm. It doesn't have a hoodie on it, but it is a gray color as well. Real nice. It fits me okay. Actually, I don't really exactly love the top of it, how it fits, but I understand that it's a large and it's meant to be worn a little bit oversized. So I'm not too mad at it. It's okay. It's good. Okay guys, so the third piece I have to show you guys is this top that I got from Burlington, and I think I paid $12.99 for it. It says sweat, selfie and repeat. Very thick. It doesn't have much stretch. It is of course long sleeve, as you guys can see, and it is in the size large. Now I paired this with a pants that I got from Five Below. I could not believe, guys, Five Below. And trust me, it is not very thick. As you can see, when I turn around, you can see the tag in the back, and it goes all the way down to the ankle. But for $5, guys, I'm telling you, it is worth it. I couldn't believe it. I didn't go in there for this, but I just had to buy it, and a few more. So this is great for wearing inside the house to keep you warm in the winter months and during the springtime. Very nice. You have the drawstring, as you can see, nice pockets, and it is sitting on me like it feels so soft, guys, so soft and so warm. I don't know the material. I'd have to look at the tag, but it is worth every penny. So $5, and I matched it with this. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good, looks pretty expensive. Yeah. Okay guys, so the next piece I'm gonna show you is a set that I got from Five Below. Of course, this was the pants was $5, and also was the top. So the top of it is the same material like the pink pants that I just showed you guys, long sleeve. Not very thick, but very soft, very cozy. In the front, you have a little crisscross action going on here. Very nice. $5. The bottom is $5 as well. The bottom is in a size medium. The top is in a size large. Fits very well. It is sitting on me. The waist is very thick, and very nice, you know, for us curvy girls who want to feel secure in our clothing. Yeah, it fits very good, and you know, black makes you look slimmer. So yeah, now the foot of it falls a little bit above your ankle. I like the way it fits. It's very nice. I love it. It's very sexy. It feels very nice on my body. I feel very confident in it, and I can't believe $5, guys. I really love this gray suit, and guys, this is 5 below as well. 5 below, and trust me, most of these pieces I'm gonna wear in the house, like probably Nike and the Old Navy I may wear outside in spring, but like these I'm gonna wear them in the house because they are not very thick, but they are very warm, guys. Now this pants is the same as the pink pants I showed you. It falls like at the ankle, right at the ankle. Very nice, very warm, like it feels so cozy and soft on your body, and I am just loving the color. I am loving the color. I don't know how long they're gonna last. I will keep you guys up to date, but I saw them and I just had to try them. $5 a piece, so you get a suit for $10. That's not bad, and I'm telling you, the material is not bad. It is not very thick, but I'm telling you, it is very warm, very soft on your skin. It's not scratchy. It feels very good, guys. Yeah, same thing. It has the crisscross action in the front. Same material, just a different color. But guys, I had to get the gray. I had to get the gray. Like the gray was talking to me, it was speaking to me. And as you guys can see in the video, I am feeling myself. The last piece I have to show you guys is also from 5 below, and it is this dress. As you guys can see, I tried it on with a biker shorts, and that's because it was too short for me, and I'm not about that life. You guys know I have a little thing around there. Yeah, it wouldn't work for me. I would not be comfortable at all, right? Now I got it in the size large. I do not believe they have bigger than large, so yeah, that's it. So for me, I would probably wear this in the springtime with the biker shorts, or I will just wear it to bed, you know. But to each his own. For some of you girls out there that can, you know, rock this, go ahead and rock it. You can dress it up. Some people would wear this out with a nice boot and a nice thigh-high boot. Yeah, with some hoops and stuff. It is a little bit thin, as I said, not very thin, but I've seen girls in thinner than this, but not very thin. But if you have on like black undergarments, then you should be fine. So guys, if you want to rock it, okay? This is the last piece in the haul, and I hope that you guys like the video. For the set from JCPenney, the Nike set, for that I paid, I believe it was $70-something for the set. It was on sale. You know, it's Nike, so it's gonna be a little bit more pricey. The Old Navy, I believe I paid $30-something for the set, and then everything else was from 5 below, and they were all $5 each. So like for the set, it's $5 for the top, $5 for the bottom, and this is $5 as well. So if you live nearby a 5 below and you want to go and grab some pieces to wear in your house, or however you want to wear them, anyway, you can save your coins, ladies and gents. Save your coins, okay? Even this shirt that says fun fact, I don't care, I got it from 5 below. They have a lot of different t-shirts with, if you like graphic tees, like they have a lot. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys like the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video from me. It is free to subscribe, guys. If you are watching the videos, support your girl and click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Click the like button, leave a comment, let me know what videos you guys want to see, right? Speak to me in the comments, all right? So I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support and the love that I have been getting. And yeah, thank you guys, and until next time, bye.